Hey, I've got a travel trailer here, and what I'm trying to do, the fan works, but if you notice the fan blades are broken off just from dry rotting. So I'm going to see if I can get near to it and just replace the fan blade itself. Cover off. And I'm going to see if I can set this at an angle where you can see it. There's a little bit of an indentation here on this side and on this side as well. And up in there's a screw. We'll take those screws out and then probably take the nut off of the switch itself and then take this handle off, and this screen cover should come down at that point. Yeah, I did not even disconnect the switch there. You can see the whole thing just folded, just kind of hanging down there. Now we're gonna, this fan should just pull straight down off of that. It probably just pushes on. So that's what we're gonna next, is just pull it off. I knew it was dry rotted. It even disintegrated even more. And now, as you can tell, possibly, I can get an angle on it. It's just gonna be hard to see. But there's a flat there that might do it. There's a flat edge to that. So I'm gonna measure the width of that and then try to figure out what size fan I need to get to push back on there. So I got the replacement fan blade in, and this is what I purchased. And this is what it looks like. And as you can see, there's like a D shape. So that's what you look for, is one that needs a D-shaped arbor. So now we'll slip it back on and close everything back up in reverse order. Okay, so we got the fan back in. One thing to remember is you've got to push that fan up on the shaft further than you might think it needs to be held on, because you've got to get it high enough that it doesn't hit the screen as it turns. So you got to put that on all the way. Kind of tough to push it on there, but that's what it should be in order to hold it on. So back together works fine. So good luck with your project.